Experiencing no sound on your Spectrum TV app? Don't worry, it's a common issue with often simple solutions. First, check the obvious. Ensure the app's volume slider isn't muted and that your device's volume is turned up. Next, verify that no external mute buttons, like on your remote, are engaged. If that doesn't work, a codec mismatch is likely. The quickest fix is to switch your audio output to PCM, pulse code modulation. This uncompressed format often bypasses problematic Dolby processing. You can find this setting either in the Spectrum TV app's audio settings, look for a gear icon, or within your device's audio output settings. For example, on a Roku device, navigate to Settings, System, Audio, Stereo, PCM. Switching to PCM resolves the issue for many users. If these basic steps don't restore your audio, move on to device-specific troubleshooting. If the quick fixes don't work, the issue might be device-specific. First, try restarting both the Spectrum TV app and your streaming device like smart TVs, Roku, or Fire TV. Power cycling, which means unplugging your device for 30 seconds, can clear corrupted cache and resolve software glitches. Ensure your device's firmware is up to date by checking for system updates in your device's settings menu. For Samsung Smart TVs experiencing silent playback, try restarting the TV and forcing the app to use auto audio settings. On Android phones, enabling mono audio in accessibility settings can bypass stereo mismatches that cause no sound. Keep your Spectrum TV app updated to the latest version. App updates often include audio bug fixes, like version 24.7.0, which address Dolby Atmos compatibility issues. Check for updates regularly. If problems persist, consider contacting Spectrum support for advanced troubleshooting at 1-855-478-6789. Remember to test with other apps like Netflix to rule out potential hardware faults on your device.